In industrial automation, quotations are not just about price. They must match specifications, delivery commitments, and technical requirements. Hello everyone, this is Raj from Radical TechArt, your process automation strategist. In the previous module, we have discussed industrial sales communication, where we learned how to ask the right questions, understand customer pain points, and conduct effective technical conversations. Now, we move to another critical stage in the industrial sales, and that is quotation strategy for technical products. Many people think that a quotation is simple a price document. But in industrial sales, a quotation is much more than that. A quotation represents the technical understanding, commercial clarity, and professional credibility of your company. If a quotation is prepared correctly, it builds confidence with the customer. If quotation prepared incorrectly, it can create confusion, disputes, or even financial loss. In this module, we will discuss three key areas. First is specification alignment. Second is delivery commitments. And third is risk management. First, let's start with specification alignment. This means ensuring that the product you are quoting matches the customer's technical requirement. Never send a quotation based only on assumptions. Always verify the specification very carefully. For example, if the customer requires a temperature transmitter, please confirm sensor type, temperature range, output signal, and mounting type. Also, you can confirm environmental protection ratings. Similarly, for pressure transmitter, verify pressure range, process connection, and output signal. Also, confirm accuracy requirement. If the specifications are not aligned correctly, the instrument may not work properly in the customer's process. This can lead to serious issues later. This is why technical verification must always happen before the quotation is sent. The second important aspect is delivery commitment. In industrial sales, delivery time is often just as important as the product itself. Customers plan their projects based on delivery schedules. If you promise unrealistic delivery times, it can damage trust with the customer. A good practice is to always include a reasonable buffer in delivery timelines. For example, if the product normally requires 5 days for dispatch, it may be safer to commit 7 days. This protects the company from unexpected delays. Always confirm delivery timelines with the purchase team or supplier before sending them a quotation. Never guess the delivery time. Clear delivery communication prevents misunderstandings. And last one is risk management. The third important aspect of quotation strategy is risk management. Industrial quotation must clearly define terms and conditions. These conditions protect both the company and customer. For example, quotations may include terms such as payment terms, delivery timelines, freight conditions, warranty details, and installation scope. Another important aspect is avoiding overcommitment. Never promise feature or performance that the product cannot deliver. Also, remember that some delays may occur due to factors outside of your control zone. For example, courier delays, supplier delays, import delays, and these possibilities should be communicated clearly. Proper terms and conditions help prevent disputes and maintain professional transparency. Now let us consider a simple example. A customer requires a DIN drill universal temperature transmitter for their panel installation. Before sending the quotation, the engineer confirms input sensor type, temperature range, output signal, installation method, and after confirming the specification, the quotation includes product description, quantity, price, GST details, delivery time, payment term, and freight conditions. When the quotation is clear and complete, the customer can easily evaluate the offer and proceed with the order. Many orders are won or lost at the quotation stage. A well-prepared quotation shows that your company is professional, organized, and technically competent. It also reduces confusion and prevents problems during order execution. For application engineers, preparing a correct quotation is an important part of solution delivery. In this module, we have learned how to prepare quotation for technical products. We discussed three important principles: specification alignment, delivery commitments, and risk management. Following these principles helps engineer to create clear, professional, and reliable quotations. A quotation is not just a price document. It is a reflection of your technical understanding and professional responsibility. When quotations are prepared carefully, they build trust with customer and improve the chances of winning orders. In the next module, we will discuss customer relationship building and long-term industrial partnership, which is the final stage of consultative industrial sales. So thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.